Good morning children. Let us start your online class for UKG students. Okay, now I am going to take English subject for you children. Okay, yesterday what you learned children? In the last class what you learned? You was learn in the last class maths oral 1 to 50 numbers, no? Are you prepared children? Are you learned? Okay, I hope you all are learned that numbers 1 to 50. Okay, and after I'll teach strokes also, how to write, use standing line, sleeping line, and how to write square box. We use standing line and sleeping line. Then how to write small boxes. Yesterday I'll teach, no? So, understood children? Now today we are going to learn about slanting line. Okay, so this is English workbook children. You also having this book now? So open the book children. Page number 8 and 9. Okay, so in the last class you had learned, so this one not children, standing and sleeping line. So join the, we can use both also, standing line and sleeping line also we use in this page. This is look like a shape of square, this is look like a shape of rectangle. Okay, now in the last class you learned, no children? Okay, so today we are going to learn about right slanting line. Okay, now children, slanting line. What is this children? This is slanting line. Okay, so open the book children, page number 8 and 9. Okay, so first you put the date here children, 05/08/2021. Today date is what children? 5/8, month is 8/2021, year of 2021. Okay, now? So now I will show your children, this is classwork for you. I will show this page and afterwards you have to write this page in home. Okay. So I am showing your children how to write slanting line. Here we having 4 line now children in this book. First is pink line, we having second blue line, and second one more also we having more blue line. Then next at last we having pink line. Totally we have 4 line. Okay, now? So we have to write here only touch the first blue line to second blue line. They given here 2 small dots, means cross line, that is called slanting line. In the last class we already learned standing line, sleeping line. Okay, now? So today we are going to learn slanting line. How to write slanting line children? Here see children, they give a small dots in the first dot in the first blue line, and again they give one more dot in the second blue line. So first you put your pencil point in the first blue line in first dot, and cross, we have to draw the cross line and touch the second blue line dot. Okay, now first you put your pencil point in the first blue line first dot and cross the line in second blue line dot. Okay, you have to join the dots children. Okay, look like this. Okay, so you have to join the dots. We having first dot in first blue line, second dot in second blue line. So we have to write cross children, cross ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು line na, so that is called slanting line. This is right slanting line. Okay, na? So first you put your pencil point in the first blue line first dot and join the dot second blue line. Okay, this is right slanting line. Okay, understood children? Right slanting line. Okay, now? Right slanting line. Understood children? You see children what I am showing you now? You also write like this in your book. Okay, so this is right slanting line. First you put your pencil in the first point for the first blue line and join the dot in the second blue line. So this is right slanting line. What children? Right slanting line. We have to join the dots first blue line to second blue line. So we have to draw the cross line, that is called slanting line. Okay, now understood children? This is right slanting line. We have to join the dots children. We have to draw the lines in crossly. Cross ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ trace ಮಾಡಬೇಕು lines. So this is right slanting line. Okay, understood children? And this is homework for you children. Here in this page they given only one dot. Okay, no, they given here only one dot. In this page they given two dots also. In first blue line also they given, second blue line also they given two dots. Okay, no, so we have to first blue line to second blue line join the dots now. So in this page, in page number 9, they given only one dot here. See, only one dot in first blue line. They given not given in the second blue line. Okay, now so we have to draw the line like this. No, children. First, you put your pencil in first dot in the blue line, first blue line to draw the cross line in second blue line. Okay, first you put your pencil in the first blue line to cross the line in second blue line. So this is right slanting line. So this is what I am showing in page number 8. No, so this is also you have to write like that only. But they given here only one dot. In this page they given two small dots, and here they are given only one dot. So first you put your pencil in the first blue line to cross the line in the second blue line. Only we have to follow the line and write children. Only we have to write in two lines only. We have to write in two blue lines only. Okay, understood children? Write like this. First you put your pencil, first dot in, put your first blue line to end that line in second blue line. So you have to follow the line. In only you have to write in blue two lines. Okay. So this is homework for you children. Understood? So next, turn the next page children. So this is page number 10 and 11. So here also they given. I'll show you children. Here also put the date children. 5/8/2021. 4 page also I have given children. Here also put the date 5/8/2021. So in the before page you learn about right slanting line now. So in this page now we are going to learn left slanting line. Okay. So here see children, here also we are having 4 line. First is pink line, second is blue line, and again we have second blue line, last we are having pink line. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So we have to only follow the lines, 2 lines only. Means first blue line to second blue line. Okay, they given here 2 dots in the first blue line, and again they given one more dot in the second blue line. So I have to touch this line children. First you put your pencil in the first blue line to second blue line. Cross line children, hೀಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾರಿಜೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here see children, first you put your pencil point in the first blue line to join the dot second line. First blue line to second blue line. Like this. What I am showing here now? Like this. Okay. So this is left slanting line. In the last previous page you learn right slanting line. Now this is left slanting line. Okay children. So first you put your pencil point in the first blue line to second blue line. Trace the line children. Join the dots. First blue line to second blue line. Now this is slanting line. Means left slanting line. Okay now. I'll show your children. So you also seeing this video, and after you also write your workbook. Okay, understood children? I hope you all are understood. Okay. So you see, once again I'll tell you children. First you put your pencil point in the first blue line to second blue line. Draw the slanting line. Straight line ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಳಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಳೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ slanting line. Okay children, so they given first dot in the first blue line, and again they given small dot in the second blue line. So we have to join the 2 dots also, first blue line to second blue line. Okay, don't touch pink line children. They given only 2 small dots in 2 lines also, first blue line and second blue line. So we have to touch first blue line to second blue line, from first blue line to second blue line. Okay, from first blue line to second blue line. Okay, now this is What children? Left slanting line. Okay. Page number 10 I'll show you children. So this is homework for you. Page number 11 homework for you. So what I am showing here in page number 10 now. So you seeing this video, that's why only you have to write in page number 11 also. So here see children, only they given only one dot in first blue line. They not given in the second blue line dot. Okay, we have not any dots here. So we have to write how to write here homework children. I'll show here. First put your pencil point in the first blue line to and cross the left side, cross the slanting line. So we have to stop ending in second blue line. Okay, like this. First you put your pencil in the first blue line to cross the slanting line and end with line in the second blue line. Okay, understood children? Like this. Okay, once again I'll show you children. First your pencil point in the first blue line to first dot in the, so here they not given the dots, so you only write. Okay, so straight up the standing line agbidutte, so cross ag baribeku. So first you put your pencil in the first blue line dot and join the line, second blue line, from first blue line to second blue line. Okay, so how to write children? First you put your pencil in the dot for first blue line, from draw the first blue line to second blue line, like this. Okay, first put your pencil in the first blue line first point and draw the cross line in second blue line. So you have to follow the two lines only children, don't touch the pink lines. Okay, don't touch the pink lines children, only you have to write it, only two lines, two blue lines, first blue line to second blue line. You have to cross the lines, you have to draw the cross lines, first blue line to, from first blue line to second blue line. So now this is left slanting line. In previous page we have to learn right slanting line, this is left slanting line. So both also today you sit and write 4 page also children. I hope you all are understood what I am showing here in this video. So you also seeing this video, afterwards write your book. Okay, so left slanting line and right. What you learned today children? Left slanting line and right slanting. Okay, understood children? I hope you all are understood and you learn oral also children. 1 to 50 numbers previous class I told no, so you have to learn that numbers, and that before class I'll teach alphabets oral no, so both also we have to learn children. Okay, understood children? Okay, thank you children, we will meet in the next class.